Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to my first Star Love Thought. Here I will do the love reading on Cancers. Let's see the big sign Cancer. What's going on in your love life? If the general energies are coming in between the reading, I will give you all those all together. Okay. Let's see what's coming in your love life energy. And just tell me about the love life of Cancerians. Let's see. These are the general readings, so may or may not resonate with you. If not, leave it. If it's resonating, it's yours. Whatever is resonating, keep it. Otherwise, leave it for the others. Let's see what's coming for our Cancerians. What's going on in your love life, Cancerians? I will see the past situation and present and the future of your love life. What's going on? Let's see what was the past situation that you moved on or that was there. Pictures. There, someone is very nostalgic, missing you, looking at your pictures and trying to make some new memories with you. They are daydreaming on you. Okay. Now in the current situation, they want to call you. They want to call you for expressing their love. Listen, this energies may be or vice versa. It may be yours, it may be your partner's. So someone is trying to express love to you. They may call you or text you or want to come towards you or want to meet face to face to tell you about their emotions. Okay. In the future, maybe you both will be coming together and there will be some meetings. Okay, in the future I'm getting that Cupid's arrow, date, coffee cup. Definitely you will both talk to each other, you will date each other, and there will be a bond of friendship. And the if there is a friendship, then the situation or the bond will getting closer, or bond will be you both will be bonded, or not in a negative way, but there will be a relationship that will elevate to the higher level. Okay, so let's see what are the energies from the thought. These are the oracle energies. So let's see. I'm seeing it from the vice versa thought deck. Let's see who is coming towards you or who is reminiscing about you in the past or in the recent past, and just tell me about the energies that Cancerians are dealing with. Who is reminiscing and who is looking at the pictures of them? Okay, Eight of Swords and Three of Wands. Someone is waiting for you and they are overthinking on the situation. Maybe a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is there, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is there. Oh my God, this is your counterpart, and they want Six of Cups and Ten of Pentacles, and here it's Sagittarius, or you can say Temperance. So there was a third party situation, or there was a heartbreak that was there. Yes, Ten of Swords, Ten of Five of Swords. There was a misunderstanding. There was someone who was in your energy was maybe there was some gossip or something that was the reason of your breakup or reason of your separation or something. Someone wants to take a leap towards you, leap of faith. Someone wants to come towards you, want to take a risk towards you, because this person wants to know about your energy, and they want to come towards you with a commitment, or yes, a strong commitment energy is there. Six of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, and Temperance, and King of Pentacles. Okay, so this person, maybe this is your past person. I'm getting because of the Six of Cups, and this person may be your ex-husband or wife because of the same suitors of the Pentacles. Okay, so this person is thinking, maybe this person is thinking about you as their counterpart, or as their married person or couple, as a husband or a wife, because they are thinking about a long term of this relationship. Okay, so Ten of Pentacles and Temperance. Let's see what is the current situation or current energy that's here. Who wants to call our Cancerian? Who wants to call our Cancerians? Let's see. Eight of Pentacles. They want to work on this connection. They want to put some effort on this connection. Who is this? Oh my God. Yes, maybe this is a Taurus, or they want a strong commitment, or they want a traditional elevation of this connection. Two of Cups, Hierophant. Definitely this person wants to be with you. They wants to call you. They want to give you a solid commitment between you and them. They want you as their counterpart, or they want you as their and all be all, whatever you can say. See, there is a Ace of Cups and Three of Pentacles. They want to work out this connection wholeheartedly, and I think they will offer you that. Let's see what is coming. One card for this connection in the current energies. Yeah, Page of Swords. I am getting that this person, Ace of Wands, Page of Swords, King of Cups, World card. Maybe Aquarius, Leo, Taurus. Taurus is strongly here. Taurus, Sagittarius is strongly here. Aries is still. Aquarius is also strong energies here, and maybe a Scorpio, because King of Cups. Maybe this is your energy. This person wants to come towards you and wants to start a new journey with you with a World card, and a Page of Swords. This person wants to talk to you. Definitely this person wants to talk to you about their emotions, about the, say, there is a Ace of Swords and Ace of Wands. Strongly they are coming towards you. Maybe a Libra. Justice is also a Six of Pentacles and Four of Wands. Definitely they are coming towards you, but they're stressing on this situation because they are very nervous to talk to you about this connection or about this conversation. Okay, so let's see what about the future of this connection. What is going to happen in the future of this connection? I'm very positive. This is a positive energy. Definitely this is a positive energy for you in the coming future in your love life. Let's see. I'm getting in the Vedic astrology, there is maybe the Venus is transiting on Cancer now. That's the reason you are getting so much passion and so much uh, um, relationship, and they want to work on this. So let's see. So let's see what's the future of this connection. There is a Cupid arrow. Love will hit you hard. I am getting love will. Let me speak and just, love will hit you hard now in this coming future. So in the recent future, what will happen? Cupid's arrow. Have faith. Love is coming. Surprise invitation. Stuck by love. So surprise invitation of a date night is coming. Definitely. Get back out there, meeting someone new, setting a date online. So someone is coming towards you to ask you for a coffee or a date night or a dinner or something like that. Yeah. Coffee cup, meeting and talking, serving the moment, feeling elevated, and building friendship. So let's see who is coming towards you to ask you out for the dinner or date night. Let's see. And just tell me who is coming towards our Cancerians, our sweet, sugary Cancerians. Wheel of Fortune. Time is ticking. This now this time is coming towards you. Your sweet time, your Venus is coming towards you to hit you hard. Love is coming. So who is coming towards you? And just tell me who is coming. Oh, hard. Most probably this is a Aries. Let's see. I have to shuffle a lot. This is this scattered. The card gets scattered because there is a reason of that. The cards those wants to come out is not placed like that. That's the reason angels prayed all the cards to make it right. To bring those cards in front. Okay, see, someone, Cancerians, Chariot, someone is coming towards you because the Wheel of Fortune, because the fortunate time is here, and there is a Seven of Cups. I think there are some options coming towards you. You have more than one options for you. I'm getting, okay, maybe. Hermit, Ace of Swords, and Six of Pentacles. There is some Virgo energy and Cancerian energy and the Sagittarius energy and the Pisces energy is here also. And Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. I don't know who is the person, but definitely someone wants to come to talk to you because they are thinking about it a lot. They are analyzing and they are strategizing about the conversation, what they want to tell you, how they will impress you. All those they are thinking about it a lot. Okay, so who is coming to us? Our Cancerians to propose. Yes, definitely a Virgo. I'm getting Knight of Pentacles. They are taking their sweet time, but when they will come, they will give their 100% to you. Empress, they are seeing you as an empress. Okay, maybe you are very gorgeous. Yes, Knight of Cups, they will offer you a sweet gesture or something. Okay, King of Wands. King of Wands, Page of Wands, they are passionate, fiery, and they are coming towards you with lots of love. Why there is a Five of Cups and Two of Pentacles? Maybe you are juggling two options, and that's the reason they are very upset about it. That you are not choosing them, first of all, because there is a Page of Wands and a Page of Cups. One water sign and one fire sign is coming towards you. Okay, so let's see what they want to tell you. What's their words or what's their dialogues? Let's see uh, what are the unspoken words that the person wants to tell our Cancerians, our Cancer babies. I love you as you are. I am dying for you. Come back, please. I'm getting someone new and someone old is coming towards you. Here I was getting that past person is coming towards you because of Six of Cups, Two of Cups, Eight of Pentacles. This person is from the past who is coming towards you. One option is this, and another option is the new one who is coming towards you with a love offer, that how you are looking and how you portray yourself is the enough for this person. As they see you, they love you as you are. So I wish I could take my words back. This is the past person who wants to take the accountability of whatever they have done in the prior, and I regret to hide truth from you. Yes, this is the past person that who is regretting about their past behaviors or something like that. Let's see what's your person. Let's see, show the power of unity to the world. This is the new person who is coming towards you to show the power of unity. They want to work things out with you, and they want to give you all the affection or all the attention towards you. So this first person is saying that I left you to make you realize my importance. I'm getting this person is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yes, Sagittarius, and yes, Aries is also here, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. They want to make you realize about their importance because of their ego. They walked away from you. Now they are realizing that they have done wrong, or they have rubbed you wrong, rub you on the wrong side. So let's see what are the okay. The new person also is in the dilemma that they cannot let you go because it was really hard to let you go. So this both of them are very much in dilemma and very much in pain to leave you and let you go. They want to fight for this connection, and whom you will take, it's up to you. So what we will do, whom you will take, the past person or the newer connection is um attracting you more. Let's see what are the guidance for our Cancerians. What are the guidance for our Cancerians? Let's see. Okay, a deep knowing thinker. You have to think a lot. 4 4. See, 43, 44. These two cards are coming simultaneously. So you have to think a lot. Deep dive, go inside. Who is the better choice or better option for you? You have to think a lot for that. See, this past person is regretting, but they can again change into their own self, or they can go to their own ego driven side. It can happen, but you don't know about this new person. You can give them a chance to know about, okay, them, who is this new person is. Let's see what are the guidance for our Cancer babies. Blessed. You are blessed with the options you as you are, but what will be the guidance for choosing those the better option, choosing the fires? You have to think it in a pure and wholeheartedly, or you have to think very deeply for your new life. Okay, for your new life, you have to think. I'm getting you are taking the chance for the new one because a change in the wind. I'm getting this never ending story. Yes, you know the person from the past very well. That's the reason you are thinking that this person will never change themselves. Now they are saying that they are coming towards you with regret, but you know that may not be changed. They may not be changed. They may turn their back again whenever they want. So I'm getting that you will take a chance for the new person very much. Let's see what's this. Flexible. Okay. Angels are asking you for being flexible and date both of them. Yes, if you're not committed, you can go for both of them just to see, just to know their inner thought, inner intentions. Okay, know of the inner intentions and then take that decision. Okay, So this is the reading for the Cancerians. If you like this reading, give me a like. If you want this types of reading, then subscribe to my new channel. And if you want private reading, then email me, and you can WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, so have fun. Bye bye.